So good. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Tonight we are designing a book cover mockup on Pixellab. Let me show you a sample of what we are designing today. Yeah, I have it here. Okay. This is a perfect example of the mockup we are designing on this app today. So let's get to work immediately. So the first thing, we just click here with your image size. Your width should be 1005 and your height should be 1600. That is in pixel size. Hope you're getting it. So the first thing, we change our background. Click on color. You come here, click on black color, click on mark, and we go to import the image you want to use from the ones we've downloaded already. Let's go to download. Here we have it here. Click on mark, reduce the size and bring it down here and centralize this. We'll change the color also. We change it to color black to go well with the let's use color white. Yeah, correct. So the next thing, we go to our shapes, bring this down here, this here, and this right here, and we come to gradient and we use this. Okay, and we won't be able to use any of these colors that to create our own. So click on add, shape this. This is black already. Shift this up and click on this other part. Clicking on that, we click on our color picker and bring this down. Back to this side. If you see that, so you click and bring this guy down here. Correct. So we have this, and we can bring this guy right here. And we click on mark. Did you see that? So we bring this down here, we lock this and bring this, shifted it down a little and shifted this also a little. So here we have it. We have the life of our secret agent, and we centralize everything. Click on OK, bring this and copy, edit this and delete everything here to the life of. Click on OK, increase the size of this, and we do what? We go to our font, and we are using main font. So you go to main font, click on main font, click on OK, increase this, centralize this and bring it up here a little and increase a little more. Click on OK and again, and we copy this again, which will automatically paste as well. Edit this, delete everything with this and click on A, click on OK, go back to our font, click on, and we go back to recent and click on main fonts. Hope you've seen that. Increase this as well, bring this down here and bring this. Good. Click on this, edit it, delete everything from the secret to everything at the back. We have this here, and let's go to our color. We have color red here. We click on mark. The next thing, we go to our font and we come to recent, click on main font, OK this, do this, increase this, and come to your alignments where we centralize both and increase this guy. Here we have the life of a secret agent. Click on mark, delete this. Hope you've seen it, and let's bring this to the front. Is it in front? No. to front. Here we have the life of a secret agent. And let's centralize this. We have the auto. We have by okay. Click on OK. Bring this down here. Bring this up. And we centralize this. And we go to our font. Here we use MTN regular font, so medium, yes, correct. And we click on this relative position again and we centralize it. And we have something up here, true life story. We have to put a year. Okay, correct. So we go to relative position, centralize this, and go to our font again. Click on my font. We use regular this time around. Okay, it and do this and relative position again. Yeah, correct. Yeah, we have everything here. And we have a full screen. So the next thing for us to do is to save this, for us to mock this up. So we click on save as image, click on format, click on png, click on custom, click on ultra rather, pardon, and click on save to gallery. So let's wait for our design to save. And here we on our data connection and we go to our Chrome. This, click on your Chrome. So let's wait for this to load. Click on this and you know what, you click on Mockup Bro. No, Mockup Bro. .com. And click on enter. Wow, here we have it. It has already loaded. That took too long to load. So let's scroll down here and we click on this number 3. That is where we find our mockup. Click on this cancel button up here. Wow. Scroll down. Not yet. It does not reflect. So let's click on this stereo again. And let's go back to 2D. Our mockup should be around somewhere here. Should be around somewhere around this stereo. Let's go back to this stereo again. Yeah, perfect. We have it right here. Standing book mockup. This is what we are after here. This is the mockup we are going to use. So you click on it. So let's scroll down. This is it. Looking at something here, if you look at the size here, we have 1105 x 1600 in Pixellab. That is the size of the mockup we are using, and that is the perfect size we use when designing this on Pixellab. So the next thing we do here is to upload. You see what I click? I click on upload and I go to browse to get my image. So I'll click on recent. Yeah, I have it. So automatically, if you watch this, there are some space at the top of this, so we don't want that space to show so that it won't spoil our mockup. Next is to use your 2 fingers to increase this a little bit. The set is very sensitive. Yeah, we have this. So you click on this, remove up and click on crop and continue. continue. So let's wait for this to load. Wow, perfect. Here we have our mockup, and did you see that right there? Okay, great. So here we can change the background of our mockup by clicking this, and we have our 8 whites here, and we click outside of that, and we have the life of a secret agent mock-up already. So we click on download, and we wait for our mockup to download to our saved file. Waiting for this to load, waiting for this to load, waiting for this to load, and it will pop up there. Yeah, download. That's already been downloaded, so we click on open directly, and it will that this is our book mockup, the life of a secret agent, a perfect book mockup. So thank you, and thanks for watching Additive Graphics. As you see on my CV, I have Additive TV. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the only way you can help this channel to grow. Subscribe, like this video, share. Thank you very much, and expect a new video soon. I'm Additive.